Hi and welcome to this video. Today, friends, I will share with you how you can easily send a message in Booking Extranet. So, friends, this is your account as you can see here. When you open your account, you will see this option as you can see here, inbox message. Go to inbox message. You can see on your profile icon. When you go to your inbox message, select your message, click send option or see contact option. When you click this option, you can start sending a message into your Extranet account. So friends, all you have to do, look for this option inbox and then choose booking message, and then you can start contact option. So friends, this is actually you can do, or you can go to the setting icon here and go to your booking and trip on my accounts. After that, my accounts, you can check your message from this option from email preference. Just go back. You can check your message from here and from contact services. So friends, from here, scroll down and look for this option. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on another video.